Good evening, students. Today we will start with the next chapter of physics, that is current electricity. Now, before we start electricity, you should know what do you mean by a charge. Now, in your lower standards, you have studied static electricity, and there you have done experiments where you are rubbing a silk cloth with a glass rod, and then you used to tell that charges are developed, and sometimes these two things get attracted, sometimes they repel. So, charge means what? Transfer of electrons. Okay, and moreover, further you had proved showing that the charges developed on the glass rod and the silk cloth, they are different. Means charges are of two types. So for notion, we took one as positive and the other as negative. Then further you have done experiments to show that like charges, they repel each other, unlike charges attract each other, which means that two positive charges will repel each other. They will try to go away from each other. And if there are unlike charges, that is one plus and one minus, a positive and a negative charge, they will attract each other. Just like your magnet, North Pole and South Pole will attract each other, North will repel each other. Now these charges in the static electricity, they were just accumulated at one place. So it was known as static electricity. Why? Because the charges were only at one place, they were not moving. Now these charges, they have got a unit, that is coulomb. Okay, so charges are measured in the SI unit, coulomb. Then you have 1 coulomb is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 microcoulomb. Then you have millicoulomb, that is 10 raised to minus 3. Then you have got microcoulomb, that is 10 raised to minus 6. And you have nanocoulomb, that is 10 raised to minus 9. So 1000 millicoulomb make 1 coulomb. 10 raised to 6 microcoulomb make 1 coulomb. And 10 raised to 9 nanocoulomb make 1 coulomb. So, or you can also write it as 1 coulomb is equal to 10 raised to 3 microcoulomb, millicoulomb, and 1 coulomb is equal to 10 raised to 6 microcoulomb, or 1 coulomb is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanocoulomb. Now charges are determined by two things. Either you find out how many electrons are deficient, or you find out how many electrons are in excess. Now you have studied that atom as a whole is neutral. It does not have any charge. Though the atom is having negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, still atom is neutral. Why? Because the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, and the charge on one electron is the same as the charge on one proton. So they totally cancel each other. So if the total charge of electrons is minus 5, then the total charge of protons will be plus 5. Plus 5 and minus 5 will cancel each other. So for a positive body, now positive body means what? Protons are more than electrons. So there is a deficiency of electrons. So a positive body always has deficiency of electrons. Whereas a negative body means number of electrons is more than number of protons. So it is having excess of electrons. Okay. Now charge on a body is given as plus or minus Ne. Now suppose N is the number of charges, that is number of electrons or number of protons, and E is the charge on one electron. E is the charge on one electron. Suppose एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज है 20, तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का कितना होगा? 2 into 20. 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का कितना होगा? 3 into 20. n electrons का कितना होगा? n into 20. Same way, if E is the charge of one electron, then n into E will be the total charge. अगर वो positive body है तो plus Ne, negative body है तो minus Ne. And what is the charge of one electron? Charge of one electron is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge of one electron. In an insulators, what are insulators? Insulators are those which cannot conduct electricity. क्यों कंडक्ट नहीं कर पाते? क्योंकि इंसुलेटर में जो भी चार्जेस है वो एक ही पॉइंट पे फिक्स हो जाता है, वो यहाँ से वहाँ जाता नहीं है. इट दे रिसाइड एट वन पॉइंट ओनली. सो इट इज स्टैटिक. दे शो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वेयर जो भी कंडक्टर्स होते हैं, दे आर conductors means they are good conductors of electricity. Why? Because they have many free electrons inside them which move from one point to another, and these moving electrons constitute electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? मूव होता हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉन, चलते हुए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मीन्स electricity, current electricity. Electricity is of two types, static electricity and current electricity. When the electrons are at one place only, it is static electricity. When the electrons move from one place to other, it becomes current electricity.